Happy birthday!
It's a horse head mask. Mine. I'm confused. Did I say that one of them?
I think so, yeah.
Or the can is say one of this. Mine. For a second there I thought it was a cowhide for the floor. Oh wow.
What do you think? You like it?
Oh, I think I'll use that every day. Dolphin. Hey. What do you think?
Well,
I think he's speechless. Hey, we were just learning today, Mike, about animal sounds.
okay, we'll make an
So
animal
the horse,
sound.
what does the horse say, Dalton? Neigh, neigh. Neigh. Look at, did you hear that?
Give him the horse head.
Oh, you get the horse head. Hey, we just started this today. Oh, Dalton, you're so smart. Hold on. What do you think, Dalton? Oh my gosh, look at it. That is quite a horse head.